I do screen capture video as I'm doing things on the internet. Everything I do to create my business, from the first step to the last step, I record it and I talk about it while I'm doing it, so you can understand why I'm doing it, why you have to be doing this, what significance is this step having in my career. So I could take all of these videos, give it to somebody, say, alright, I want you to do these steps in this video to all of these different websites. That's all I want you to do. Okay? Now, I have 250 domain names. I've been doing this stuff for about 18 months, plus being real estate. My wife does most of the actual real estate transactions, and I'm the designated broker. If it wasn't for her, I wouldn't have a business, because I spend all my time in front of the internet figuring out how to get the leads. Because if you're not doing that and you're using your website for, basically somebody to go look at once you tell them, then you don't have a business, you have a job. Quit doing what you're doing for leads tomorrow and see if you have a business the next day. What I'm talking about, I can take you in the first program's the basic program. The basic program consists of about 3.5 hours worth of video, and it takes you from knowing absolutely nothing other than being able to check your email to actually having a website that you created on the internet. 3.5 hours worth of videos. That's it. If you followed along step by step, didn't question, didn't ask, didn't wonder why, just did as I was doing it, then you'd be done probably about 4 hours. Okay, you'd have a website on the internet. Wouldn't be on page 1, but you'd have a website you created, not somebody else. You know how to add content to it now. You also would have an autoresponder on there, so when people start clicking on your website, then you could automatically be in touch with them. People, when they get a hold of you, they want information. They want it now. They don't want to wait for a while, and then hopefully you'll get back with them tomorrow. If you wait that long, you don't have a business. So that's what I teach you in the first program. The basic course is $197. Peanuts. I know you pay more than that for somebody to do it for you, and they don't even do anything for you. So then you take it to the next level, which is the advanced level. In the advanced level, I teach you everything you need to know about creating that website you have and turning it into a professional looking website. It would rival anything that's out there on the market today and be completely everything there, fully optimized for the search engine, everything you needed to have, and I guarantee you it would be a better website than what 99% of the stuff out there is that they put together for you. Alright? I have websites that are ranking higher in the search engines than most other realtor websites, and there's no content on it. It's just the way I put them together. So I do know what I'm talking about, and I really didn't start out to devise a program for you. I did it just for me, but I figured I might as well share it. Real estate's a big industry. I don't need to hog all the business. Couldn't get it all if I tried. So might as well help you out, relieve some of that frustration and anxiety that you have every day about the way you have to get leads. So in the advanced program, like I said, it's about another 5.5 hours worth of videos. The course is $497. If you bought the basic program for $197, I credit you that all the way back too. So it's actually only another $300 for the advanced program. At the end of that, you don't need to know anything more about creating